Starline Windows has been manufacturing aluminum and vinyl windows and doors for over 50 years and is the largest window wall manufacturer in Western North America. Supplying and installing high-performance unitized window wall, curtain wall, and both sliding and swing balcony doors for high-rise residential and hotel projects. Our products meet and exceed industry standards for building envelope integrity, while our quality control and testing procedures ensure that your project receives the best possible product. At Starline Windows, we pride ourselves in providing quality, comfort, and peace of mind to our customers on all levels, from the companies that build homes to the people who live in them. Employing the most advanced technology available today in our new 500,000 square foot facility, Starline Windows can manufacture nearly 5 million square feet of window wall per year and over 1,500 vinyl windows per day. The implementation of customized software, along with top-of-the-line advanced automation throughout the factory, helps control the entire manufacturing process, from the generation of shop drawings to delivery and installation. Starline Windows powder coats all of its aluminum profiles in-house, using the highest quality, environmentally responsible powder coatings available in the world. Our state-of-the-art vertical powder coat line is like no other in North America and has dramatically increased our paint capacity, allowing us to inventory pre-finished product in an array of colors. This guarantees the continuous availability of material for your project, along with confidence in our ability to deliver as well. Please call us or visit our website to learn more.